What's going on, guys? It's Mitch from RespectMyRegion.com. We're coming back from the 2023 NECANN Boston floor, powered by Orange Photonics. I'm here with Dr. Diane Kozwich, Chief Scientific Officer at Cape Ann Cannabis. How are you doing today, Diane?
Doing great. This is a great opportunity to be here and meet all the people in the cannabis industry and people like you. I'm having a wonderful time here.
That's what we're here to do: meet, talk, learn, build relationships, man. So I know you guys at Cape Ann Cannabis do a couple different things. Can you break down kind of the involvements that you guys do in cannabis? Because it's a little bit more than just the title cannabis.
Yes, we do. We believe in cannabis that is sort of on the medical quality, whether or not it's for medical patients or it's for recreational patients. So we want to take an organic approach to making solventless hash and using that hash to then make other products. And we feel that's maybe a healthier way than imbibing the whole plant, if you will. And especially if you're going to be smoking the plant, you don't need to be smoking all the other components that aren't medicinal or psychoactive, right?
Absolutely. I mean, that's solventless, right? It's a little bit more pure form that you can then take and mold into other things. So as the Chief Scientific Officer, what are some of the things in the process, in your guys' processes, that you look at to ensure product is at the right quality that you want to put in consumers' hands, lungs, or digested through, liver if they're taking it orally?
Sure. I think it starts with the genetics. I don't know if many people know, but you need a specific strain to make good hash. It can't be just any old strain because you're looking for a certain style of trichome that will shake off and give you that separation from the rest of the plant, and just leaving the trichomes, which is the powerhouse or the manufacturing facility of the cannabis plant. That's where all the terpenes are made and all the cannabinoids are made. And we like to have we actually look at a microscope and make sure that the stems and stalks have a thin neck, and so that that nice round globular head on that will roll off when you treat it in the solventless methods that we use.
Breaking out the microscope before they're breaking down the hash, man.
Absolutely, and the whole process. We start with something like the light cycler, where we look at the COA, of course, but we don't necessarily have to start with that in our process, because what if our process and our method of using a machine like this is a little bit different than in a lab. So we'll get the COA, we'll take an analysis with the light cycler, and every step of the process, okay? As we separate those trichomes, we'll look at what different grades of hash we made, and what's the efficiency of that extraction. And if we don't get a certain efficiency, you can't make money at the process. And it's all a handmade with love process, believe me. I don't know if any of you out there have made hash, ice water hash, but it's a very hands-on, loving process, and care for the plant and care for the products that you make. And so every step of the way, we use science to prove that our products are superior. I guess that's the best way to put it.
I love that. Well, we're talking to a doctor, so obviously we got to be looking at things scientifically. Well, Diane, I really appreciate your time.
That was wonderful talking to you. You really made me feel at ease, and I enjoyed telling the world about Cape Ann Cannabis and how we feel about our products.
I love that, man. Cape Ann Cannabis is going to be using the light box to ensure those products are hitting the right specifications they want. We're here, 2023 NECANN, powered by Orange Photonics. We'll be back with more content as we go.